How to get rid of rotten egg-smelling burps.
In this video, we will discuss how to get rid of the bad taste of burps that smell like rotten eggs. We will cover the possible causes of these unpleasant burps and provide some tips on how to prevent them in the future.
What causes rotten egg-smelling burps?
Rotten egg-smelling burps, also known as sulfur burps, are typically caused by the presence of hydrogen sulfide gas in your stomach. This gas can be produced as a byproduct of certain foods, bacterial overgrowth, or gastrointestinal issues. Some of the most common causes include consuming high-sulfur foods like eggs, meat, and cruciferous vegetables, gastrointestinal infections, gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO.
How can I get rid of rotten egg-smelling burps?
To get rid of rotten egg-smelling burps, you can try the following tips. 1. Monitor your diet. Keep track of the foods you eat and identify any high-sulfur foods that might be causing the issue. Reduce or eliminate these foods from your diet to see if the problem improves. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help flush out excess gas and toxins from your body. 3. Take over-the-counter antacids. Antacids can help neutralize stomach acid and reduce the production of hydrogen sulfide gas. 4. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Taking your time when eating and thoroughly chewing your food can help reduce the amount of air swallowed, which may contribute to gas buildup in your stomach. 5. Try activated charcoal. Activated charcoal supplements can help absorb excess gas and toxins in your stomach.
When should I see a doctor?
If your rotten egg-smelling burps persist or worsen despite trying these tips, it may be time to consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine if there is an underlying medical condition that needs to be addressed, such as GERD, IBS, or SIBO. In summary, getting rid of rotten egg-smelling burps involves identifying and addressing the root cause, which may be related to diet, gastrointestinal issues, or bacterial overgrowth. By following the tips provided in this video, you can work toward eliminating these unpleasant burps and improving your overall digestive health. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment.